what is VBA? So VBA means Visual Basic for Application. So VBA is a code where we can write it within the Excel or Word and other Microsoft applications. So and so we are going to discuss what is the VBA and how it is different from the macros, right? So if we speak about the macro are written in programming language called VBA, and macro is just a piece of code. So we generally create a macro to complete repetitive tasks and to complete the work within a short time. So whatever the macro is recorded or created, that will be appear in VBA code. I hope you understand the difference. And so, apart from VBA, there are similar words we can hear in the market, like VBA, VB, and VBS. So, if you see the difference between VBA, VB, VBS. So, VB standalone. VB is a standalone program that run independently. So, there is no need of any particular application for it. So we can write it in Visual Basics applications to develop a web applications. But when we speak about the VBA, it is a part of programming language, Excel programming language that cannot work independently. So there should be some medium for it. So as I said, VBA work, VBA we can write VBA code only in MS Office application like Excel and Word and in some Outlook application as well. So if we talk about the VBS, VBS is a Visual Basic language that is used to develop the internet application or web applications. So these are the difference between VBA, VB, and VBS. So again come back to the macros. So why we require macros? Why we need to use the macros in Excel? So the first and most important thing is to complete the repetitive task. So if we have any task that we need to do again and again, in that case we just go to the macros and click on create macros in Excel, that I will show you to the incoming videos. And then one time we need to do the task and we need to stop the macro. So in the next time when you click on the play macro, whatever task we did, so it will automatically run. So that's how we can use the macro to complete the repetitive tasks. And whatever the macro is running, that is based on VB script, like VBA application, Visual Basic Code, that run on backend of your Excel. And also there is one more use with macros. Macros generally use it to develop the own formulas. So we generally find the formulas in Excel, right? So apart from that formulas, if we want to create own formulas which are not available within the Excel or within the Microsoft Office, so you can create your own formulas and also functions. So that is how we use the macros. So, and let's come to the object models in Excel. So, Excel itself, it is a object. So, when we come to the Visual Basic for application and VBA code, we always take the Excel as a object. So, inside Excel, everything is a object like workbook, sheet, cell, chart, etc. For example, if we take a car as a object, so it have different specifications, right, like color and different features. So those are comes under object models. So so Excel is a application. In that, workbook is a model and worksheet is a model. So workbooks come under Excel application and worksheet comes under workbook, like that. And if we go to the worksheet, the objects under the worksheet are different things like cell, charts, controls and shapes and graphs all are comes under worksheet object. So Excel is application. Under the Excel, first we will get the workbook object, then we will get the worksheet object. After that, we will get the different objects like cells, charts, control, and shapes. So this is the main difference between the visual VBA code and macros. I hope you people are understand what is the difference between VBA and macros, and I just want to give the some small basic idea about the VBA.